Before it was me, camera and a natural light, whichever I get. Then I acquired standard photo flash, got that weird diffuser I saw no one ever used including myself, and the best piece of light equipment I've had was softbox with honeycomb grid from Godox. As I was getting more into videos, and the light from the window could be so unpredictable, my research led me to this. What I thought is the best, first and affordable video light. Neewer HB80C. 80 means it can output 80 watt of light power. The whole setup comes in this bag with cut-to-shape foam inside for safe transportation. Digging through, I found some paper, very long USB-C, mini tripod, light stand mount, reflector, and the light itself. That can be powered by internal 72 watt-hour battery. That can last up to 70 minutes, but you can up it to 95 minutes using mute mode. I found it has convenient tripod thread, which is very good. Finally, I could use the softbox as it was intended to. Here's another reason why it is perfect for video. On a full power, that's the level of noise you'll get. So quiet. Also, you can control the light from your smartphone via Bluetooth. I had concern that with the screen and controls being on the back, and if you have it pointing down on the set, you may not be able to see what's on the display. And I agree, it would make complete sense to put them on the side, but with app control, it's not an issue at all, right? In the app, you can have scenes preset for quick changes without losing time, full HSI and RGB range adjustments, color picker, and much more. Even music effects, where light will react on loudness. Let me show you the light in action.
This is a light from window. I cannot control it, obviously. And if I'll try to block all the light from the window with this regular cellular blind, so that's what I get. Light still spills in between those cells. All I need is just my phone, and I can press that little switch. Book. Now it looks beautiful. Now this works as my key light, which I can't control and I couldn't do whatever with it. And whatever spills from the window is my kind of rim or filling, whatever light you'll get. It depends on the setup, how you'll turn against your window. So many settings here. I don't even need that many, I guess. I'm excited. And like, I was stopping myself from buying light for so long because before every purchase, I'm spending so much time considering all pros and cons and if it will worth spending. But this thing, I love it.